Matplotlib, pyplot, savefig outputs blank image. I am trying to save plots I make using Matplotlib, however, the images are saving blank. Here is my code. And teststd.png is blank, also tried with JPG.
First, what happens when T0 is not null? I would test that, then I would adjust the values I pass to plt.subplot, maybe try values 131, 132, and 133, or values that depend whether or not T0 exists. Second, after plt.show is called, a new figure is created. To deal with this, you can call plt.savefig p equals 100 before you call plt.show. Save the figure before you show by calling plt.gcf for get current figure, then you can call savefig on this figure object at any time. For example, in your code, testdu.ping is blank because it is saving the new figure, to which nothing has been plotted.
plt.show should come after plt.savefig. Explanation: plt.show clears the whole thing, so anything afterwards will happen on a new empty figure.
Change the order of the functions. Fix the problem for me. First save the plot, then show the plot. As following.
Calling savefig before show worked for me.
If you want